how to create a logo with AI. Let's get started. First, open ChatGPT in your web browser. Now, copy the prompt I've provided in the video description and paste it into ChatGPT. Before submitting the prompt, replace the sample business name with your own brand or company name. Once you've made the changes, press Enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed AI logo prompt that's optimized for creating professional logo designs. Copy the generated prompt. Next, open ideogram.ai and sign in using your Google account. After logging in, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now, select the 16:9 aspect ratio from the available options. This size is perfect for YouTube videos and thumbnails. Now click the Generate button. Ideogram will begin creating multiple logo concepts based on your prompt. This usually takes just a few seconds. When the images are ready, browse through the generated designs and choose the one you like the most. If none of the results match your vision, simply edit the prompt or click Generate again to create a fresh set of logo ideas. Once you've found your favorite design, click on it to view it in full size. To save your logo, click the Download button, and the image will be downloaded directly to your device. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional AI logo for free in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.